Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about the application of the pressure switch and how it is connected with the fan and how it is stimulated. As you can see, the pressure switch is installed right in next to the fan, and I just connected a wire, and here when I just turn on the fan, you can see that the pressure switch is activated and it turns on a light. And as soon as I turn off the fan, it takes a few seconds, maybe a second, to turn off the light. It means that there is an intentional delay. It doesn't work like that. It acts simultaneously when it is activated, because it sends a signal to the PCB or the electronic board, and the electronic board needs to sense the delay. Otherwise, some technicians short circuit the pressure switch in order to trick the board. And actually, this method is used in order to avoid the trick used by some technicians. And you could see that there is a delay between turning on the fan and connecting the pressure switch in order to turn on the light. I just simulated the situation, all the system, with with a light, with a lamp, just to show you that there's always a delay in connection. Here again, when you connect, it takes maybe a second, and when you turn off the fan again, it takes a second to turn off the light.